Morning, my children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Students, what we studied in the last class? Do you remember that? In the last class, we have discussed about Dharmaraja, Sodhi Tirunal, and Shaktan Tamburan. What are they? Dharmaraja, Sodhi Tirunal, and Shaktan Tamburan. What is the first one? What is Kartika Tirunal Ramavarma known as? What is Kartika Tirunal Ramavarma known as? Kartika Tirunal Ramavarma is known as Dharmaraja. Kartika Tirunal Ramavarma is known as Dharmaraja. Second one, what was the earlier capital of Travancore? Padmanabhapuram was the earlier capital of Travancore. Third one, who was shifted the capital of Travancore from Padmanabhapuram to Thiruvananthapuram? Students, who knows this answer? Do you answer? Yes, please answer it. Yes, very good. Sit down. Dharmaraja shifted the capital of Travancore from Padmanabhapuram to Thiruvananthapuram. The next one, when was Sodhi Tirunal born? Who knows this answer? Please answer it. Yes, very good. Sodhi Tirunal Ramavarma was born on 16th April 1930. All students say loudly. Sodhi Tirunal Ramavarma was born on 16th April 1813. Name the poet of Kerala who died in boat accident. Name the great poet of Kerala who died in the boat accident. Who know this answer? Do you answer? Yes, please answer it. Yes, very good. Mahakavi Kumaranashan. Name the great poet of Kerala who died in the boat accident. Mahakavi Kumaranashan. Last one. Write a note on the contributions of Kumaranashan. Write a note on the contributions of Kumaranashan. Answer is, N. Kumaranashan was a great poet of Kerala. He was a scholar and a writer. He was against the social evils of untouchability, fought against it through his writings, and worked for the education of backward communities. Students, you must study these answers. Okay? Children, today we are going to discuss about Ramakrishna Pilla, Vallathul Narayana Menon, and Pattamaya Thanupilla. First of all, I say about Ramakrishna Pilla. 1878 to 1916. Have you heard of Swadeshabhimani? Children, have you heard about Swadeshabhimani? K. Ramakrishna Pilla, better known as Swadeshabhimani. Children, who was known as Swadeshabhimani? Yes, K. Ramakrishna Pilla, better known as Swadeshabhimani. Ramakrishna Pilla was born on 25th May 1878 at Neyatinkara in Thiruvananthapuram district. He was a great patriot, a brave journalist and freedom fighter. He was a great patriot, a brave journalist and freedom fighter. He worked as the editor of the newspaper Swadeshabhimani. Who was the editor of Swadeshabhimani? Students, we say answer. Say loudly to all. Yes, Ramakrishna Pilla was the editor of the newspaper Swadeshabhimani. But Swadeshabhimani was published by Vakam Abdul Qadir Maulavi. Who was the publisher of Swadeshabhimani? The Swadeshabhimani was published by Vakam Abdul Qadir Maulavi. Who shouldn't say loudly, who was the publisher of Swadeshabhimani? Vakam Abdul Qadir Maulavi. But who was the editor of Swadeshabhimani? Yes, editor of Swadeshabhimani by Ramakrishna Pillai, but published by Vakam Abdul Qadir Maulavi. K. Ramakrishna Pillai was a nationalist writer, journalist, editor and political activist. He edited Swadeshabhimani. Ramakrishna Pillai opposed the misrule of P. Rajagopalachari. Rajagopalachari means the Diwan of Travancore. Ramakrishna Pillai opposed the misrule of P. Rajagopalachari, the Diwan of Travancore. His articles criticizing the policies of Diwan created troubles for the government. His articles criticizing the policies of Diwan created troubles for the government. So the government banned the publication of the newspaper. So the government banned means നിരോധിച്ചു. ഗവൺമെൻറ് പത്രത്തിൻ്റെ പബ്ലിക്കേഷൻ പ്രസിദ്ധീകരണം നിരോധിച്ചു. Moreover, Ramakrishna Pillai was deported from Travancore. Means Ramakrishna Pillai was a freedom fighter in the princely state of Travancore. His paper Swadeshabhimani was suppressed by order of the Rajagopalachari of Travancore. He died on 28th March 1916 at Kannur. He died on 28th March 1916 at Kannur. What students can understand about Ramakrishna Pillai? Children, next we discuss about Vallathol Narayana Menon. All students say loudly, Vallathol Narayana Menon, 1878 to 1958. Mahakavi Vallathol Narayana Menon was born on 16th October 1878 in Tirur, Malappuram district. He was well versed in Sanskrit language. He wrote several books. He wrote more books. Means Vallathol Narayana Menon was a poet in the Malayalam language, which is spoken in the South Indian state of Kerala. He received silk and bangles from the Prince of Wales as a symbol of dignity. He received means he get silk and bangles. Silk and bangles means pattum valayum. From where? From the Prince of Wales. For what? As a symbol of dignity. What is the meaning of dignity? Dignity means andas. He was a follower of Gandhian ideas. Vallathol founded Kerala Kalamandalam at Cheruthurthi in Thrissur district. Who was the founder of the Kerala Kalamandalam at Cheruthurthi? All students say loudly. Who knows this answer? Please answer it. Yes, Vallathol Narayana Menon founded Kerala Kalamandalam at Cheruthurthi. The government of India honored him with Padma Bhushan by considering his works in different fields. He died on 13th March 1958. He died on 13th March 1958. Children, here are one question. Write a note on the contribution of Vallathol Narayana Menon. Answer is Vallathol Narayana Menon was born on 16th October 1878. He wrote several books. He was a follower of Gandhian ideas. Vallathol founded Kerala Kalamandalam at Cheruthurthi. The government of India honored him with Padma Bhushan by considering his works in different fields. Children, do you know who he is? Do you know? Yes, this is the picture of Pattam A. Thanupilla. Now I say about Pattam A. Thanupilla, 1895 to 1970. Pattamne Tanapilla was born on 15th July 1895. He was a prominent leader of Travancore State Congress in Travancore. He was a prominent leader of Travancore State Congress in Travancore. He began his career as a clerk. He became a member of Travancore legislature in 1928. He was elected as president of the Travancore State Congress in 1938. Pattanthanappilla was elected as president of the Travancore State Congress in 1938. Pattamne formed the first popular ministry of Travancore and became its chief minister in 1948. He again became chief minister after the election in 1954. Pattamthanappilla became chief minister for third time in 1960. Who became a chief minister for a third time? Pattamthanappilla became a chief minister for a third time. Pattamthanappilla was a participant in the Indian independence movement who later served as the chief minister of Kerala from 22 February 1960 to 25th September 1962. He was known as the Bhishmacharya of Kerala politics. He also served as the governor of Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. Pattamthanappilla also served as the governor of Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. He died on 26th July 1970. Children, where did Pattamthanappilla served as governor? Do you answer? Yes, say loudly. Yes, very good. Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. He also served as the governor of Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. Children, now I give some homework for you. Write in your EVS notebook. First one, who was the editor of the newspaper Swadeshabhimani? Who was the editor of the newspaper Swadeshabhimani? Second one, who was the publisher of the newspaper Swadeshabhimani? Who was the publisher of the newspaper Swadeshabhimani? Third one, who was the founder of the Kerala Kalamandalam at Cheruthuruthy? Who was the founder of the Kerala Kalamandalam at Cheruthuruthy? Then fourth one, write a note on the contributions of Pallathol Narayana Menon. Write a note on the contributions of Pallathol Narayana Menon. Fourth one, who became a chief minister for a third time? Last one, where did Pattamthanappilla served as governor? Children, now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.